We run almost our entire marketing agency using AI. The emails, the videos, even the custom software that we use, and the reporting on accounts that we've managed over 2 million in ad spend through. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 of the top automations that we built using Claude Code so you can steal every one. By the end, you'll have 5 workflows that you can actually use, and number 4 is one that most people don't even realize you can use yet. And honestly, I use way more than 5 now, but these are the 5 highest value ones that I'm running right now. I'll start with the everyday ones and then move on to the one that still surprises me. Now I use Claude to generate HTML presentations that I can click through or arrow through, and it does it fully branded to me, and it has cool overlay graphics that you can't do or animations that you can't do using PowerPoint. And so now I just have it kick back this in say 15 minutes, and it can take stuff from my website, it takes my branding and everything, and immediately applies everything that I need here so I can click through and give a nice presentation, way better than using PowerPoint. And if you want to try this in Claude Code, tell it who the deck is for and what you're trying to land, give it your brand colors and logo once, and let it build the first draft, and then just iterate from there until you get the product that you're looking for. Number 2, emails. My emails used to look like this, and now my emails look like this, where I can have all of my fonts, my colors, my logo, I can have images, links to things, graphics, and this is all formatted immediately for me using a skill that I built within Claude Code that takes about 10 minutes. So once you build it once, you can build it out again. And what it does is just kick back HTML code, which you can paste into your HTML builder inside High Level. Now, if you don't have GoHighLevel, I'll put the link below to sign up. You get a free trial, but you can basically just load your HTML into an email builder just like this, and it kicks it on this side, all using Claude Code. This looks complicated. Claude Code is not. Can kick back emails really quickly and really elevate your professionalism. Number 3, video. This video you're watching here is a video that I edited in less than 30 minutes using Claude Code, and I pasted it as another video. You can actually click the link below in the description of this video to watch the full video, but I did the whole thing using Claude Code. Everything from the cuts, the captions, the graphics, the music, everything using the automation within Claude Code. And this saves a massive amount of time for doing simple videos, tutorial videos, or just things that you need to send to your team. It makes it really quick and easy without needing a lot of time editing. So I do have a link in that video that has a PDF that shows you how to build this video editor. Number 4, custom software. Everything you see here is something that someone like me shouldn't be able to do. And I really can't do it other than Claude Code allows you to get into these windows, talk to it in normal language, and build out custom software for your business. All you really need to do is think about a project or a pain point that could be solved in your business. Maybe it's a calculator, maybe it's a dashboard, maybe it's a tool to help you track leads or shipments or invoices. All that can be done fairly easy using Claude Code, and I'm going to show you a tool that I built that saves us countless hours each month and improves our accuracy in reporting. What you see on the screen is a software that we built to be able to analyze all of our ads, analyze competitor ads, be able to kick back primary text, headlines, and even creatives based on the best performing ads within our own portfolio. It's integrated with OpenAI, Gemini, and other tools. We call it Ad Studio, and we use it so we can generate best performing ads based on our own data and external data. It allows us to pull from our own portfolio of ad spend, and as well as pull the data from our competitor ads so that we can create new ads off current variations or new ideas altogether really quickly in a nice package that allows us to deploy these ads quickly. You might not need something quite this complicated, but if I can build something like this using Claude Code, you can definitely build something for your own business. These kind of tools are game changer for whatever niche you're in. And maybe just start with something simple, a calculator, a one-page dashboard, a tracker of some kind. Start small and start building your capabilities up. Number 5, ad reporting. We've managed over 2 million in ad spend. We've managed multiple accounts. If you look at this page here, just like the other one I just showed you, we built an analytics and tracking dashboard, which takes data from multiple Facebook accounts with all different logins and consolidates them here in a nice way. I can click in here, I can communicate with our CRM, I can communicate with clients, I can look at performance quickly, send out reports. This has been a game changer for our team. Something that used to take hours, we can now do really quickly, communicating with our clients and having real-time performance analysis. And to top it off, we built a Slack automation that gives us a report every single morning that gives us insight into ad performance and shows us what we should prioritize. If you want to try something like this out, you need to tell it exactly which numbers to check every day, what format you want, and it'll walk you through the whole thing. If you use Slack, it'll even help you set up the integration. And here's one of the most surprising things about all of this. It doesn't just save time, it elevates the quality of everything that you do. It makes you faster, it makes your work better, it makes you more professional, and ultimately, it helps you to provide better customer service. None of this is about being a genius, it's just about a repeatable way of working, describing what you want, building automations, making you more streamlined, let the AI do the heavy lifting, review and refine. The only real skill you need now is knowing what you want and saying it clearly. 5 workflows, small team, 1 AI. Get on board, start using it, and see how it can save time for you this week.